Hi guys, welcome to Legends Architect YouTube channel. On today's episode, we're about to learn how to draw a road on a topo surface. So, we'll go to our site elevation to enable us draw. From the massing and site ribbon, we'll select sub-region. Then we select our line to draw our road nicely. Don't forget that the size of a double road is 900 millimeters. So I prefer using the radius arc to draw my road. So we draw the road whose size is 9,000 millimeters. So we offset it. So now we will split the road to enable access. We will now use the fillet arc to draw our angles. Now we will draw another road from the entrance of our building to meet the main road. Don't forget to split that road. Again, with the help of the fillet arc, you draw your angles nicely. You now pick a line to complete the road. So here's our road. We now select it and move to the category to apply an element. So you type road in the search box to enable you to get access to all the elements needed for a road. So you choose asphalt. Here is our road neatly drawn. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe. In our next episode, we'll be learning how to design this type of symmetry. Stay tuned so you'll be missed out.